I'm Tom. I'm a facility maintenance tech. I'm going in on a work order that is about some acoustical ceiling tiles that have fallen down through water damage. So what I'm going to do is take a look and see what is needed. Roofing contractor, a plumber, if it's something simple, but get an assessment and provide some direction to dry up this building. No, I have. I'm assuming it's over there. Come in and talk to you guys first.
Yep,
Yeah.
that was.
Okay.
Did you get the pictures?
No.
Oh,
No,
okay.
I just got a phone call.
Oh, okay. That'll be slowing down,
Oh, wow.
but it gets better than here.
It gets better. I don't want to see better. Woo!
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay,
got it.
thank you.
Well, this one's pretty heavy. It's not raining now. It hasn't for a couple hours. So I wonder if we got some pooled water up on the roof. Definitely get a ladder and definitely get up on the roof. Take a look on the outside. You know what? I'm gonna go up to the roof. There's that much water coming down. It's gotta be a pool up there. There's a flat roof. And I need to go in through the other store. Interesting. This building has two tenants. One is healthcare and the other is a grocery. And the roof hatch is in the grocery side. Down there is the ladder. Yeah, that's the corner of the building where we got water coming through the ceiling. I can see some standing water from this far. That's what I kind of figured. That water's not going to stop until this is drained. And it's draining into our building, into our space. So here we are determining how we're getting water infiltration. Looks like we got some water going down the scupper. I know it's typically with rubber roofs, it's usually the flashing. And all my water appears, just from what you've seen on the video, it's very close to the wall. So my suspicion, and the way it's flowing now, there's something wrong with this flashing in the scupper. You know, things like that. Look at that. Water could be backing up here. That's not good. That's bad. That should be adhered. Yeah, initially I'm gonna go, this is the problem. We'll get the roofer out here. That's the easy fix. Now, we got floor finishes, paint finishes, suspended ceiling, and who knows what other damage to get cleaned up. And you can see here how we got condensate off the rooftop unit. So this roof here doesn't have any roof drains. All the water, it's on an incline. Even though it looks flat, it's on an incline. It's high over there and it's low over here. And this is where the water drains through these scuppers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is the one we're having an issue with. So I'm going to go ahead and take some photos and pass along the information that we need a roofer right away. And I'm going to look around. I'm going to try to clean up that mess best as I can and catch some of it with trash cans or whatever. It's going to be a process. Just staying busy until the roofer gets here. I don't call the roofer directly or the flood restoration people. It's for the office to do because of having a purchase order number and all that stuff. Vendors being onboarded. It's not how it used to be. So I'm still waiting for a ETA on the roofer. But I politely told the people they're still doing business here. I said when the roofer comes, I have to turn the air conditioner off because you can't repair a rubber roof under standing water. But they understood. So it's up to them if they want to go home or get a little warm. So I told the office too that you need a flood restoration company. We don't want mold, so gotta get the water cleaned up and dehumidifiers running and get this dried out before you pass the 24-hour mark. I'm just one person, so I've done this many times. I don't get too excited or worried about it. It'll all get taken care of in the near future. First priority is stop the water. Second priority is clean up the mess and dry it out. And then the patching and painting and the ceiling tile replacement. We'll see how these floors do. I think it's laminate. It could be laminate board or just vinyl laminate. We'll see how it responds. Take it from there. That's what insurance is for. Alright, the roofers have arrived. We're gonna put the lock right here.
Alright.
I don't want some great employee to lock me up on the roof.
Alright.
Yeah. To shut off these air conditioners, I will, because we're getting condensate water.
Yeah.
See, it's dripping. Oh,
Okay, that way.
that's a good idea.
Yeah.
I'm just going to tell you one thing that I saw, and then it's all yours.
Oh, that's the one. Yeah, because it's a big storm. It's not
Right
big
back
enough.
in.
Yeah.
Yep.
And like the metal runs goes both ways. Yeah, this runs like this. Okay, so I take care of that. I put a bucket in that one, so
Okay.
it's not have a problem. Okay, start working on this.
Thank you. I'm very happy to see you.
No problem.
Flood restoration tech is getting started with detecting walls affected, setting up fans and dehumidifier, punching holes through the bottom of the wall for ventilation. In the days to come, cleaning, painting, ceiling tile replacement will be accomplished.
All right, my friend, I'm going to take off.
Alright. I'll be here for a little bit.
Okay. I'll probably check in tomorrow morning and
Okay.
take off again.
Sounds good. I'll leave the equipment. It should just stay on. Just ask the people not to shut it off. It has to run 24 hours.
Okay.
Okay, so that way make sure you can dry the area.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a good reminder. I'll let these people know and tell my office to let housekeeping know.
Yes.
I can see them doing
Yeah,
that.
we've had that happen before. And
Yeah.
it just prolongs how long
this last. So if it stays on, we can get this going much faster.
Cool.
All right,
All right,
thank you.
sir.